Today we are going to build a fan. Let's take the power module, the switch, and the motor. This is the first time we use motor. Of course, we are going to take the fan. And 3 cables. Okay, first we're going to fix the fan to the motor. For the motor, there is a positive and negative side. First, we're going to connect the positive side of the power to the positive side of the motor. Then we are going to connect the fan to the switch. And of course, the switch to the power module. Then we will have a closed circuit. Now let's turn on the switch. You can see the fan is spinning. Turn off. The spin will stop. I'm going to switch on again. Please take note which direction the fan turns. The fan is turning in anti-clockwise direction. What is anti-clockwise? It's like I'm going from 12 o'clock to 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock to 3 o'clock, then go back to 12 o'clock. That's anti-clockwise direction. Next, we are going to connect the negative side of the fan to the positive side of the power. When we switch on, the fan still turns. Let's look at the direction. This time, the fan turns in clockwise direction. Clockwise direction meaning it's the same direction as how clock turns. So it will go from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock to 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock, then back to 12 o'clock. That's clockwise direction.